Hi Ultimate Gardeners, it's Salman here from A Garden Revived. I'd like to thank Emmanuel from Ultimate Gardening for featuring me on this channel for this collaboration. I post gardening videos every week on my channel, A Garden Revived, where I talk about ornamental garden design and anything else that really fits into the world of gardening or home decor. I just absolutely love it, it's my passion. So if you think you would be interested in that, please join me at A Garden Revived and consider subscribing to the channel. All right, so let's get started with this project today. Emmanuel, the Ultimate Gardener, is amazing at food production. I have learned so much from Emmanuel about growing my own produce, and it's something that I really want to get into this coming season. So we came up with this fun collaboration where I would do an ornamental design for a container using edible veggies like chard and lettuce, and it's meant to look really good for the winter months. I'm in zone 8A. I know Emmanuel Gardens in Florida. I'm in Central Texas. So all of these should do really well if you're also in a cold climate. So I'm just going to start planting this, and Emmanuel's going to talk about some of the plants I'm going to be using today.
Hi Ultimate Gardeners, it's great to have another gardener collaborating with me in this video. So a few facts about rosemary is that it's a huge boost for your immune and circulatory system. It promotes hair growth. It also helps any muscle pain be relieved, and it's a great herb to use in the kitchen, and it's a very low maintenance plant to use. So I highly recommend you use this rosemary. It requires full sun, minimal watering, and no fertilizer required. Next up, we have romaine lettuce. Romaine lettuce is huge on vitamin C and A, and vitamin C and A is a huge key point for antioxidants. And so lettuce is a great healthy plant you could put in smoothies, salads, you name it, you could put romaine lettuce in. And so romaine lettuce is very easy to take care of, full sun, minimal water, and they do need fertilizer about 1 time every 2 months. Next up, we have Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are high in fiber, minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. Brussels sprouts are great to control your blood sugar as well as lower the risk of cancer. And they also are a good decrease of inflammation as well. So if you love Brussels sprouts, go at it and plant them. They are a full sun plant, minimum water, and they require fertilizing 1 time every 2 months. Next up, we have cabbage. Cabbage is a great source of vitamin K and C. They are also a great dietary fiber. They need low minimum water. They also need a full sun location. They require an all organic spray because they are very, very vulnerable to diseases out there every month. And then you want to fertilize 1 time every 2 months. Next up, we have collard greens. Collard greens is a good dietary fiber source. They also carry vitamins B9, C, A, and K. Also, they carry minerals such as iron, copper, magnesium, you name it. Collard greens is an amazing plant to grow. They are a low maintenance plant. They require full sun, low minimum water, no fertilizer, and no spraying. Next up, we have violas. Violas isn't well known to be eaten because it really isn't, but the flowers are edible and you could garnish dishes with them, especially baked goods. They are a beautiful low maintenance plant that you can plant out in your ground in containers, and they will put an amazing performance for you. They are a full sun to partial sun location plant. They require low minimum water. They require fertilizing 1 time every 3 months and no spraying at all.
All right, you guys, so here we are with the final result. I am very pleased with the way this project turned out. I love the detail of the viola with the collard greens in the back over here, and then our Brussels sprouts that accent the viola so beautifully. And then of course we have our lettuce, and I just think that this rosemary topiary is what really brought this together for me. And I'm so excited to use the rosemary from this. It just smells incredible. Just so good. To make sure that the container does the absolute best it can, I will place it in a fairly sunny spot, a very sunny spot that will get sun all the way around in the back garden. And what that's going to do is make sure that all the plants grow very evenly from all around. I'm just so excited to harvest the leaves in the wintertime, just to have something beautiful to look at, and also to have something that I can utilize in the kitchen as well. I think the visuals of the container are so nice. They match the containers we have in the front of the house with the color palette of silver, white, green, purple. These are my colors. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to this channel, Ultimate Gardening. Emmanuel, thank you once again for having me on your channel. If you enjoyed this video and my presentation, please do consider visiting A Garden Revived and subscribing to my channel, where I upload weekly just progress updates and small projects around my garden space. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.